Hey little yogis, I'm so happy you're here. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more yoga fun.
Let a breath out, breath out. We are starting our journey. Out. We are starting our journey. Right here on our mats. Reach your arms up high. Reach your arms to the sky. Wiggle your fingers like rain. Then touch your toes. Down low. Roll your shoulders back. Feel the power inside. You are ready to grow. I am strong and I am brave. I have a light inside of me. I am kind and I am wise. I can be anything I want to be. Anything at all. Now we move like a cat. Hands and knees on the floor. Round your back to the ceiling. Look down at your knees. Feel your spine get long. You are powerful and calm. I am strong and I am brave. I have a light inside of me. I am kind and I am wise. I can be anything I want to be. Stand up tall like a mountain. Put one foot on your leg. Find a spot to look at. Balance like a tree. Roots deep in the earth. Branches reach for the sun. Reaching high. I am steady and still sit down on the floor. Bring your feet together. Flap your knees like wings. You are a butterfly. Flying through the garden, sharing love with every flower. Kindness is your power, so much power. I am strong and I am brave. I have a light inside of me. I am kind and I am wise. I can be anything I want to be. Close your eyes for a moment. Listen to your heart hands. Soft belly rising up, down. Breathe in peace, breathe out love. You are amazing, just as you are. So amazing. Sleepy and still, quiet and calm. Good night, heart. Black thorns, iron heart. Hey, watch us tear it apart. One step, don't look back. One step, don't look back. Bang, war. Step in the mud, silver on my boots. Cutting through the dark, pulling up the roots. Vines try to grab, but I'm too fast. Built like a weapon made to last. Ancient curse, yeah, I heard the talk. Watch how I walk, watch how I rock. Nothing in this wood can slow my pace. I'm the queen of this haunted space. The air is getting cold, the power's getting bold. I see the center, see the prize. Look at the fire inside my eyes. I'm taking the fire. Vanguard. Break the lock, take the crown. Vanguard. We don't stop, we don't go down. Hey, hey, pick up the artifact, feel the heat. Hey, hey, the whole world is at our feet. Vanguard, yeah, we got the power now. Talk is cheap, magic is deep. I don't play for keeps, I play to sweep. Shatter the stone, claim the throne. Better leave me and my girls alone. Heavy metal weight in my palm. In the outer storms, I stay calm. Did you think I'd break? No. Did you think I'd shake? No. The air is getting cold, the power's getting bold. I see the center, see the prize. Look at the fire inside my eyes. I'm taking the fire. One touch, the sky turns red. Forget everything they ever said. I'm the savior, I'm the spark, blazing a trail. garden waking up. It is time to move our bodies. Are you ready? Let us begin. Wiggle your toes in the soft green grass. Tickle the daisies as we pass. Reach up high and touch the sun. Our morning stretch has just begun. Hands to the heart, then touch the floor. Like a little seedling looking for more. Fill your heart with garden love. Breathe in, breathe out. Let's stretch together. Reach up to the sky. Breathe in, breathe out. Watch the clouds shine and grow. Yoga is fun for everyone. Strong bodies, happy hearts. This is where the magic starts. Now we stand like a sturdy tree, rooted down for all to see. 1 foot up and branches wide. Take a little look, that is okay. Even the tallest oak trees sway. Fix your eyes on a tiny bee. Stand as tall as you can be. Breathe in, breathe out. Let's stretch together. Reach up to the sky. Breathe in, breathe out. Watch the clouds shine and grow. Yoga is fun for everyone. Strong bodies, happy hearts. This is where the magic starts. Take a seat on the garden floor. Feet together like an open door. Flap your wings like a butterfly. Imagine you can almost fly. Sit up tall and feel the breeze. Quiet mind and happy face. In our special garden space. Breathe in, breathe out. Let's stretch together. Reach up to the sky. Breathe in, breathe out. Watch the clouds shine and grow. Yoga is fun for everyone. Strong bodies, happy hearts. This is where the magic starts. Now lay down and close your eyes underneath the summer skies. Breathe out, safe and sound on the ground.